What should I do today? I mean, not really what should I do today. I mean, it's already 8:30, but I'm kind of in the mood for a snack. Should I have? Let's see. Let me think. There's cereal. I could have some homemade brownies. That sounds pretty good. Not like I really eat sugary stuff a lot or anything that's not good. So, no way! Oh, look what I just found in my bedroom! Cookies! Look at this! There's Oreos, freaking birthday cake flavor, Milanos, Goyas, which if anybody doesn't know, they're just Spain vanilla cookies, more Goya crackers, almost like Ritz, and Chips Ahoy! This is excellent. Let's start off with some Chips Ahoy. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, you know you want to eat it. You know you want to eat it so badly. Well, instead of you eating it, I'll eat it. Don't get any better than this. I'm gonna finish that later. But look at that, seriously, that's freaking amazing. I'm gonna be bathing in cookies later. I love cookies. Look at that. Uh-oh. Yeah. Getting a cold, guys. Hold on. It's supposed to rain cookies. It's gonna start raining cookies. What kinds of cookies? Very little cookies. Severe cookies. Severe cookie storm. Alright, call you later, Mom. Bye. There's gonna be a freaking cookie storm! How awesome is that? Look at all these cookies I got, guys. Look at this. Look at this garbage. We got all of this stuff. That's so good. It's gonna rain cookies. Boom! Cookies! Watch out later. Look outside your window. You won't even have to. You're gonna hear it on top of your house. Boom, 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 boom. Boxes, boxes of what I'm eating right now. It's gonna rain cookies, people. Stay tuned. Headbutt. Cookies!